Hey guys, I'm flippin' stoked. I just got done talking to DONYBOY73, and he has a nephew that is gonna be in my area, and he wants to do a meet and greet. So I'm gonna collaborate with him, and we're gonna head over to my nephew's got a birthday / graduation party, and we're gonna christen this new swimming pool that they just had built. So let's head on over there, and about 12 o'clock I'm gonna meet DONYBOY73's nephew. Pretty cool. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna do some swimming, and I'm gonna take a couple of my pistols over there. We'll maybe shoot some guns, hopefully, if it's not raining or if there's not too many people. It just depends. Let me show y'all around what we got going on. Should have brought him. Hey, what? Not with electronics in my hand. There he goes. Don't go hungry around here. You better hurry up, Corey. We eat good when we got good company coming. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Probably a little bit. Check out this 3-point hitch that my brother-in-law built for his lawnmower. It's got an electric hoist on it, 12 volts, and just a sleeve hitch. You can run like a box blade on it like that, or you can pull a little trailer. What? Nothing. Pretty good stuff, ain't it? Yeah.
What'd you tell her? No? Full? You gonna take pictures? You want Jesse?
Yeah. Callie, are you sleepy? Happy birthday.
What are you doing? You get that back, Papa? Mama's are cute.
Open it.
Still dirty. That was cute. Looked like a whole snack. She likes that color.
Stop.
It's just playing with the tissue paper. There you go.
Pool table. Chris was asking me.
What do you want me looking for? So true. Okay. So, do you want me to go ahead and bring everybody's presents out?
Can.
Okay.
Thank you. Leah!
I'll be back.
Kelly's are moving on real quick.
That was my favorite.
Look at that,
I
Kelly.
would like to never got them screwed on there.
See, you're nicer than me. I'd have been like, here,
That one's
all together.
It was supposed to be a push button power motor thing, so when it got here, I was like, what the heck? Way to put it together and use just kid power.
Girl and food. What is that?
Oh, it's got little, look, it's got little cosmetics.
A credit card. Oh my gosh.
Oh, how cute. Ooh, thank you.
Oh, mind you, wait. Liam likes this one. He doesn't care if I go.
What's that? What's in there? Hold it. Hold it.
Oh, that's cute.
You want to wear that one? Don't put your face on it. See ya. Thank you.
You could wear cute stuff like that.
Singing dirty songs. Boy. Gone wrong. Johnny Cash. Back. Kicking ass. How about y'all? Outlaw.
It's just a little update. Corey's going to be a little bit late. He's just now leaving work or leaving his home, and so he'll be here in a couple hours. So what do you think about this shindig so far?
Oh, I'm having a blast. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's solid gold.
wants you to go for a ride.
Oh, let's do it.
Hey Don, he's having a blast, man. He's a good kid. Gotta be proud of him. Fire in the hole. Little high.
Nothing full? Full of beer?
No, water.
Oh, right beside it.
Yeah.
Wow, it goes shoots
High.
high, don't it?
Really high. This is made for here to here.
Yeah.
That's when someone's cheating at blackjack. Hey, let me set this up for you.
You did better than he did. I can't see what's that.
After the first two shots that I took, I realized you can't see the little piece at the end of the barrel, otherwise you're too high. Do you still see it? Yeah. I had to go a little low.
But I really bought 2 of those for my grandson. way high in the right. It shoots a little high from here. Aim, put the front sight and the bottom of the back side.
Made me get used to that.
Well, it was good meeting you.
You too.
And whenever you get, you know, settled or whatever, let me know. We'll go shoot some machine guns.
Hell yes.
Okay.
Hell yes, we will.
So-
Rain is right about my place. What are we going on for a rep?
Oh, he's going to.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's less fun.
Oh, we got garbage carrier outers. Well, have a safe drive home, man. I know you got it.
Do. Thank you very much.
Yep. Y'all be safe now.
All right.
All right.
Good luck.
Talk to you later.
That was fun. That was so cool to meet DONYBOY73's nephew. Guys, that was the most epic meet and greet I've ever done. That is a good kid. He's very polite and respectful. Man, it was a good time. We ate good, good fellowship. I'm so thankful that DONYBOY73 was able to collaborate with me and get him down here and meet everybody, and he had a good time. He drank a few suds and drove around in a 69 Chevelle. He loved that. And then, you know, we went on a little shooting rampage there for a few minutes until the storm blew in. But those of you that are subscribed to my channel, I highly recommend that you hit up DONYBOY73. He's probably the best, absolutely, without a doubt, the best you know, small engine mechanic on YouTube. So y'all hit him up. I'll put a link in the description below with his channel. We'll catch you on the next video. Have a good day.